Hello everyone, I got this in the post today. This winged its way all the way across the Atlantic Ocean from the USA here to an undisclosed location in County Tyrone, the Doctor's Surgery. I got this from a merch store of another creator, my good pal, the Squatch, Big Josh himself. So I'm going to open this and show you what's in it. So here we go, we're going to open this lovely package that we got from the merch store, which is on Big Josh's channel. You'll get it in Big Josh's channel, and I will link it. I'll put you a link in the bottom of this video on the description and maybe in the pinned comment section. So we'll get this open to show you what it is. This is not one of those fancy unboxings. This is just the way we do it here. Oh, look at this. Lovely big mug. Look at the size of that. That's made for a Squatch's hands. Look at that. It's not made for a wee leprechaun like me, but anyway, I love it. It's got the fanboy shimmy. Tools with Big Josh. Look at that. So if you want something like this, he's got lots of t-shirt merch, and he's also got merch from my other pal, ToolswithSoAlz. So get on that, guys, right away. Isn't that lovely? That's so well made. Cost a lot for shipping, but I don't care. It's worth it. I love it. Thank you, Big Josh.